Alright, welcome back to Cojito's channel here. We got a box in the mail today from FedEx. Something we've been looking for. We're just gonna tear that paper tape right open. Alright, PSA return. We got ourselves I was going to try and slide it through. Alright, there we go. Alright. We got the birds. We got the Zapdos EX. I was pulled from that binder collection. And she came back today as a Gem Mint 10. So we were able to get a PSA 10 on that Zapdos EX SIR. There we go. I keep saying SAR, SIR. Anyhow, this is going to be going up for sale because I need to fund another project. But that's what we got on that card, was the PSA 10. Thanks for watching.